2020 Husqvarna. Won't start problems. If the ignition is not the problem, starter's not. Battery's good. Tested for 12 volts. If that ain't the problem, then this is most likely your problem. Starter solenoid. It's on the back of the mower. All I did to this one was cleaned it, put it back in, starts right up. You got the key? Oh, you gotta sit on it. There you go.